Start.
Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to English class. Today we are going to revise the new poem, that is Fire and Ice. As we have studied the dust of snow, it is also a poem which is written by Robert Lee Frost. His full name, Robert Lee Frost. He was born in 1874 and 1963. The Fire and Ice also written by Robert Lee Frost, as well as Dust of Snow also. So in this poem we are going to see this fire and ice. What does he want to convey message to the reader? Here in this fire and ice poem, the poet Robert Lee Frost says the world will end in two ways, either in fire or in ice. Here the fire is standing for desire and ice stands for eterness. So we are living in a materialistic world. This writer is observing and he says that humans are having a lot of emotions, maybe owning the things or possessing the things and having lust, etc. This is one of the major reasons that the world is going to end. Or if it doesn't end in this way, or there is a chance to end the world by ice. Here ice is compared to eterness. That means human beings don't bother about others' emotions. Instead, they are very harsh towards the human beings, and they are living in a selfish world where they want to achieve their things. Instead, they will not focus on their other thing. And in this poem, we are going to revise today just the short answers in the class. Just let us know what does the fire and ice say to the reader. Just we are supposed to keep in our mind fire and ice. These two components are compared to desire and eterness. Just you have to keep in your mind. Fire stands for desire, ice stands for eterness. So definitely the world is going to end by desire or eterness. That's what the main theme or idea that the writer or the poet or the poem Robert Lee Frost wants to give to the readers. The same way, and also you know that one is an American poet. Usually he brings or talks about some kind of nature. So in the Dust of Snow that we have seen, he talked about hemlock tree as well as crow. But here in that poem just he said that there are tiny things which can have a lot of impact on human beings, and there is a chance to change the emotions of human being. But here also this desire and eterness are the major causes for the end of the world. So we are supposed to keep all those things in our mind. Then we have to go for revising the short answers and the long answers. In between, if you are finding any doubts, if you do not understand what does the fire and ice say, or if you do not know whether fire means only fire or desire, or ice means only ice, if you think like that, just you forgot, just to keep in your mind, fire stands for desire, ice stands for eterness. This is the two important keywords that you are supposed to keep in your mind while you are revising the question and answer. It's very important. And by this week, maybe on Saturday, that you are going to write your first contest. So this is the last poem of this QT portion. Please just take it, and you are supposed to concentrate a lot and try to secure a good marks. Now let us open the e-book and we will start to revise the question answers of the lesson Fire and Ice. Okay.